Well, this is the bottom of our driveway down here, and I've got my work cut out for me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 5, 6. Maybe 6 or 7, 8. I see another one way down there. And oh man, I tell you, this stuff kind of sucks, just to be honest with you. But it is what it is, I guess. We'll get them up one way or the other. There's one way down there towards the road. But yeah, I got plenty of work to do. Plenty of work to do. Hopefully they'll give us a few admin days at work. But anyway, there's trees falling all over there on the hillside on the other side of the creek. Y'all have a good one. I hope y'all are having better luck than we are. Be safe and stay warm.